Time we shall have the first session to be given by very very handsome, supportive, dynamic, energetic, enthusiastic, and all resident speaker of the house. Ano ba, sir, meron?
Handsome.
Sinabi ko, sir, first yun, very handsome, sir. Superlative yun, sir. Okay. So let's all welcome our first speaker, Mr. Richie C. Basilio.
Good morning to each and everyone. So my topic is all about 360-degree teaching learning. Actually, itong 360 teaching degree learning, ako lang itong gumawa. But itong idea coming from different sources. Then binuo ko kasi I really want to study my class because my class is that is the class that I feel the most worst during my 20 plus years in teaching. I never encountered this kind of situation. So, actually, I want to share this 360-degree teaching learnings because alam ko hindi palagi tama ang iniisip ko. So I want also your support so that I want to come out this 360 teaching learning strategy. Okay? Kung effective ba to o hindi. Okay. So I want to cite also, before I will start this one, I want also to cite the following sources that I take this idea is from Tony Robbins and Angela Lee, Dutch work, when kay Tony Robbins, na-learn ko about human needs. Kay Angela Lee, that word, we speak from TED work, TED, did you hear about TED channel? Yung lahat ng mga confident, mga searchers, specialists, they invited in the TED show to share their insight about a particular topic. So I was impressed with this topic of Angela Lee Duckworth, and his title is about grit. Ang grit, yung level ng perseverance ng bata. Makikita mo to sa bata, based on the classroom situation, ang reaction niya, at doon mo i-psychologize ang bata kung itong bata pa talaga word na matatapos niya ang pag-aaral niya o hindi. Okay? So sabi ni Angela dito, kung nakikita niyo na worthless na ang bata, you have to guide him, not necessarily to drop him or her, but in fact, you have to guide him, maybe hindi tama itong lugar sa kanya, you have to guide him in the other way. Parang ganito, sabi ni Angela dito. So I will show you later the picture clip, which I download from TED show. Okay, so another source I want to cite is from Edutopia. Member kasi ko sa Edutopia. Ang Edutopia it was founded by the Lucas Foundation, wherein their main source is to conduct research based on the K-12 education. Kinuha ko din may mga idea, kinuha ko sa Mindshift. At isa is, ang Mindshift is based on different educational research of teaching and learning and also methodology of teaching, mga strategies nandun sa Mindshift. And another one is from TESS, BlendSpace. Itong BlendSpace, this is software wherein we can use this software to make our digital lesson. Hindi lang tayo palagi sa lesson plan. Yung lesson planning natin usually use in the journal, right? We write in the journal. Pero the digital lesson, gumagawa tayo ng lesson planning with integration of different videos. Okay, different videos you can put in to make your lesson. And you just play that inside the classroom. Wherein it's not only discussing your lesson, but you can also create your your exam there. Okay, so much for that. We will start with the topic. So, Chris, can I remove this one? Because I need a whiteboard.